Hi, my name is Santosh. Today we are going to learn about what is AngularJS and what are the features of AngularJS. AngularJS is an open source JavaScript framework to develop MVC-based web applications. It implements MVC design pattern to develop the applications. Generally, MVC pattern is used by server-side technology, but AngularJS provides the client-side programming. AngularJS is a framework, it is not in a JavaScript library. It provides its own runtime environment. If you want to learn AngularJS, we need to have basic knowledge on HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Features of AngularJS. Data binding is one of the primary features of AngularJS. Data binding can be implemented in two different ways, one-way data binding and two-way data binding. Model variables or objects are bound with the views. Structural programming. AngularJS is a structural framework. It uses MVC framework to implement the application development. Test-driven development, refactoring plus test-first development. At any point of MVC-based applications are more comfortable to update. HTML as template in AngularJS. Using existing HTML tags are templates for use. Like same way we have ASP.NET templates. AngularJS also have templates. AngularJS provides couple of directories similar to attributes in HTML to implement these templates. Routing support for single page applications. In this application, only first time page will be loaded from the server. AngularJS provides special feature to support single page application. Client-side state management. AngularJS supports required option to manage the state between multiple requests of single page applications. Dependency injection. By name itself, we can say that it is an independent. AngularJS applications strongly support dependency injection. It means developing the independent code and organize the dependent objects based on the requirement. In order to use AngularJS, we need to download AngularJS framework from the website angularjs.org. File name angular.min.js. Min is nothing but it is an minified version, and we can see a sample code. And in the code we have ng-app directory. And what is the directories in the AJS? Directories are used as HTML attributes and extended behavior HTML tags. ng-app directory is the starting point of the AngularJS application. AngularJS framework will check the ng-app directory in the HTML page, and everything within the ng- directory will be managed by the AngularJS. It means here we can see the curly braces. The curly braces are nothing but the Angular binding expression. Okay, I think you have understand what is AngularJS and what are the features of AngularJS. In the coming video, we'll learn in depth into what are the directories and how to create, control, module and views, and how to build the application. Okay, thank you.